Nolin RECC is excited to offer our members the option of getting text or email messages about power outages. Through SmartHub, you can choose to be notified of the following regarding your account: if a power outage is planned, when a power outage has occurred, an estimated time until power restoration, and when power has been restored. You must sign up through SmartHub either on the free mobile app or at our website if you wish to receive these notifications. This video explains how to sign up for outage notifications through the SmartHub app on your mobile phone. First, download the free SmartHub app to your smartphone. Look for the purple logo you see here. If you've not already done so, you'll need to create an account on SmartHub using your Nolin RECC account number. You can find that on your bill. You'll also need a valid email address to sign up with SmartHub. Once logged into the app, select Settings on the main menu. Next, select Manage Contact Information. Now you can choose to add an email or mobile phone contact. You can add multiple email addresses or mobile phone numbers one at a time. The process to add either of these forms of contact is similar. Be sure that you have access to the mobile phone or email address that you enter. You'll be sent a verification code that you'll need to complete this process. Add your mobile number or an email address where you'd like to receive notifications. For a mobile number, be sure to check Receive Text Messages. Once you've added the contact information, select Continue. Next, you'll be asked to review terms and conditions. Please read these and indicate whether you accept or decline. If you wish to sign up for notifications, you will need to select Accept. You will then receive a verification code at the number or email address you entered. Enter that verification code and save the contact. You'll receive a message confirming your registration. Enter each mobile number or email address where you'd like to receive notifications separately, using the same process just described. Once you've entered and verified all contact information, go back to Settings. Next, select Manage Notifications. Then select Service. You can now decide how and when you wish to be notified. Don't worry, you can change this at any time. Select one notification and decide where you'd like that notification to go. Once you've made your selections, save the settings. You should then see a message that says you have successfully signed up for that notification. Repeat the last two steps for each notification you want to receive. You are now signed up for outage notifications. Remember to keep any contact information updated to continue receiving notifications on your account. Please remember that any time estimates we give for restoration are just estimates and are subject to change. If you need assistance with this process, give us a call at 270-765-6153.